welcome. So today I am gonna go through how to do a budget on paper. There are a lot of different ways you can make a budget. You can do it on paper like I'm gonna show you. You can also do it online as well. There are a lot of great sites online, but I personally like to do a paper budgeting because I just think you learn a lot better, and when you have like that mind to hand coordination. So yeah. Alrighty, so first you're gonna find yourself a good pen, and you're gonna write a heading. I will just write budget for December. Sorry, I do not have the best of handwriting, but that is okay because I can understand it, and as long as you can understand your writing, that is all that matters. Okay, so I am going to start with thinking. These are just going to be an example. These are not my incomes or my expenses, but I will just go through an example. So first, going to think of the income. So I'm just going to label income, and then so say I have 2 jobs. I'm gonna put job 1, job 2. I make 1,000 from this job every month, or at least in the month of December. Then I make 2,000 in the other job. So we are gonna have 3,000 to work with. Alrighty, so after the incomes, we are then going to find our expenses. So expenses can be anywhere from rent, bills. I'll just start creating a list. So rent, bills, and then along with that, groceries, gas, gifts for the month of November or December. That's a very big one. Because Christmas, there are a lot of people who celebrate Christmas. You have to buy a lot of gifts. And then fun money. I'll just put fun money. So like going out to eat or going to a party, that will fall into that. So after I have all of my expenses listed, you're just going to go and calculate what you are going to spend on them. So for rent, that is just a set cost. But fun money, that is up to you because that is a want and not a need. Like the groceries are going to be a need. You might be able to find ways to, make it cheaper, but you are going to have to buy groceries. So now I'm just going to go through, and then if my rent is $800 a month, the bills are $100, groceries are $200, gas $100, gifts, let's say for the month of December, $700, fun money $100. So now we are going to total that up. So that total is 2,000. So expenses are $2,000. So after this, you're going to find total income. So total income for the month of November is $3,000, and then you're going to minus the expenses, which is 2,000. So going to have 1,000 left over after that. And the purpose of creating a budget is so that you can maximize your savings. So then 1,000, that 1,000 leftovers is going to go into savings. Alrighty. And so, of course, you can create a budget in different format if you like, just whichever works best for you. this is personally what works best for me. But so yeah, the goal, like I said, of a budget is to create more savings in your day-to-day lives. Having a budget will help you to pull back on those savings. If you have any questions, please reach out and I will try to help.